Welcome. This is a final video to fix Peace EQ not working on Windows 10 and 11. And if you've been struggling with it, you're not alone. Are you facing the issue where Peace EQ just won't start or keeps crashing? This usually happens because of driver conflicts or Windows updates that block certain audio enhancements. Most solutions you'll see online or on social media are long, confusing, and hard to follow, making you waste time and get frustrated. But here on Rexist, I'm going to show you a simple trick that works every time without complicated steps. All you need is a quick setting change that unlocks Peace EQ instantly and keeps it running smoothly. If you want to show the full step-by-step method, drop a comment below, and I'll make a detailed tutorial just for you.